You're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to use dropship.io product research tool. Dropship.io is a popular product research tool that you can use if you're planning to go into dropshipping. As with it, you'll be able to not only view competitors and see what they are selling at the moment, but you'll also be able to see the different trending products. The first thing you want to do once you go onto dropship.io, you can go over to start free trial in the top right hand corner. Keep in mind that their pricing plan, while it says free trial, you do need to enter your credit card information. And you will be provided with a 7-day free trial, so you can select whichever one of these plans you'd like to give a try for 7 days. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to on the left-hand menu option. The first thing is by tapping on Add Spot. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and this is basically where you'll be able to view ads for a particular product or for a particular domain name. So for example, right where you see ad type right here, let's say for example we were to add any one of these keywords. So for example, let's say I were to add portable or multifunctional. After I've done that, if for example's sake I were to scroll down and then from there I were to tap on search right here. After tapping on search, I'm going to be shown ads for products that would be considered multifunctional based on the keywords that I've entered. Another thing that you can also do is, for example, if we were to clear these queries, and let's say for example's sake I were to tap on domain name. After doing that, you could type in a store name right here that you would like to see the ads that they're running. So for example, let's say I were to type in ColorPop, and you can see it right here. Let's say for example I were to type in the domain name colorpop.com. Then from there I'll scroll down and tap on search. After you have done that, for example, you can see the different ads that they are running, as you can see right here. So you can get an idea of the different ads that they are running, as you can see here, and you could tap on view more above a specific ad. After you have tapped on view more, you can also view the landing page, as you can see right here. You can see when the ad was created, and you can also see the store products and so on, as you can see here. And you can also scroll down and you can get more information about the ad. So you can see the last seen activity, and by scrolling down you can also see the ad engagement. So this will provide you with information so you can know what type of ad is working and so on. And now if we should go over to the left hand menu option once more and tap on product database, from here you'll be able to search by typing in different queries. You'll be able to find a winning product. For example, you can use the filters section right here, and if you'd like to filter products based on price, you could do that. So let's say for example a minimum price of $1 and a maximum price of $45. And you can also type in the monthly sales that you would like to estimate, and you could also type in the monthly revenue right here. After doing that, you can select the category that you would like to target. So for example, let's say I would deselect these, and let's say the category that I want to go in is the beauty and personal care. You could tap right there, and if there is any other category, for example health and household, you can tap on that also. Then once you have done that, you're going to tap on search. After tapping on search, you can scroll down and you can see the product that they recommend right there. You can also tap on the URL provided right here, and it is going to open up in a new window, and you can see the products that are selling right there. And if it is a case that you would like to use this platform, so for example we're going to scroll back up, and let's say we'd like to use dropship.io to import the product onto our store. You can do that. All you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in line with the product name. Then from there you can see import product to Shopify. You could tap on that, and then once you have entered your Shopify URL, you'll be able to add the product directly to your store. If you'd like to view the product on AliExpress, you could tap on search on AliExpress right there. And once the product is available on AliExpress, more than likely it is going to pop up the product page as you can see right here, or a suggested product page. And then from there, you'll be able to view the product and get more information. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option once more, if we were to tap on sales tracker, this is where you'll be able to insert a Shopify store URL, then tap on start tracking. And by the way, with the free trial, you'll be able to track up to 10 stores. So by entering this store URL right here, you could simply tap on start tracking. And from there, for example, if I were to tap on one of their examples right here, you'll be able to see when the store was created, the theme that they are using, and also the amount of products that they have. And if we were to tap on store products, you'll be able to view all of the products that are currently added to the store. By scrolling down, you can also view their estimated total revenue, and you can scroll down and you can see their total sales and so on right here. Another thing that you can also do, you could scroll back up and then you could tap on view ad library, and from here you'll be able to view the ad library for that particular store. So you can see right here by tapping on view ad library, you can see the ads that they are currently running right here, so you can see an example. Now if we were to go back, you can also tap on top stores from the left hand menu option. After doing that, you can see right here some top performing stores over the last 24 hours, and you can also see their best selling products. So you can select any one of these best selling products, and again you can zone down by simply filling in different queries. So you could tap on revenue right there, and you can change the revenue that you would like to get an estimate for, the sales, and also the different product types and languages, as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on top products, you'll be able to see the top selling products at the moment for the stores that you are tracking. So you can see them right here. These are just some example stores. And if you would like to be even more competitive and do some more research, you could tap on competitor research right here. Then from here, you could include titles and keywords that you would like to search for a particular product in. You could also include domain keywords that you could type in right here, and you could also tap on advanced filters, and then from there you can zone down based on max price or minimum price. So you can fill in this information to do even better product research. And that's basically it. And keep in mind that this is a 7-day free trial. In the future, if you would like to continue using dropship.io, you would go onto their paid plan. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.